Hi, today we are going to see how to make meme for Instagram. So go to App Store and in the search bar search for meme maker for Instagram. Here you can find many apps to make meme. I am choosing a random one. Click on install. Here click on open. Click on allow. Then here you can find many meme. I am choosing a random one. Edit it and save. Here you can share it on Instagram. Then you can share in the chat or feed or stories. I am sharing to feed. Then it will be added. You can crop it. Then you can post it from here. So that's how to make memes for Instagram. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.